channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video we are going to review a new product in the market, which is a 24 organic poha. So guys, this is a 24 mantra organic poha, and this is a product that we are going to review today. So let's start off with the review of the poha. So guys, poha is an Indian flattened rice basically, which is used to create an Indian breakfast dish called poha. And today we are going to review this poha from 24 mantra, which is an organic poha. So they have been certified organic by multiple institutions like the USDA organic, the Indian Bio 149 non-EU agriculture, Jalvik Bharvat, India organic. Multiple institutions have tested this poha to be organic. So what makes it organic is because it is grown without pesticides, any synthetic pesticides and GMOs. That's why this is organically grown. And plus this poha is gluten-free poha. So guys, let's start off with the review of the product. First of all, it comes packaged in a plastic pouch, and right on top here we can see the 24 mantra branding right here, 24 mantra organic branding here. Then right here across the pack in big bold letter, organic is written, mentioning that the product is organic and it is grown without synthetic pesticides and GMOs. And then the name of the product is printed here, which is poha. Right down here we can see that it has been certified by these 4 institutions which I had mentioned earlier, like India Organic, USDA Organic, IN Bio 149 non-EU agriculture, and Jalvik Bharat has certified this poha to be organic. Right on top here is a pure vegetarian symbol, and then they have a transparent pack here so that you can actually look at the poha. Now when you look at the other poha that are available in the market, they are very white in color and very shiny. So when you look at the poha, the organic poha from 24 mantra, it has a pale white color and not a shiny white color to it. So this is why it's not polished. There's no synthetic additives added to it, or there's no synthetic pesticides or GMOs added to it. This is the actual color of an organic poha right here. Moving on to the back of the pack. Going to the main information about the poha. Now the net quantity, this pack is a 500 gram pack, and the shelf life of this is 9 months. It has a 9-month shelf life, which is good for the 24 mantra organic poha. And the 500 gram pack MRP, or the price of the 500 gram pack of 24 mantra organic poha, is ₹68. So very well priced. Like, it's not very expensive or very premiumly priced, but it is priced at ₹68. Whereas if you go to buy poha from other brands, it would cost you around ₹50 to ₹60, and in this range for half kg. But 24 mantra organic poha is priced at ₹68 for half kg. So not very expensive, but yes, it has been premiumly priced as well. So yeah, that is the information about the poha. I haven't tried it out yet, so I am waiting to try out and see the difference between organic poha and a normal poha. Definitely you won't find much difference, but yeah, since it has the main part, it is healthier for you. Having organic food is healthier because there is no synthetic pesticides or GMOs in it. So that is the reason organic is better for you, because we all know that synthetic pesticides and GMOs have ill effects on our health. So it's always better to go organic. So guys, this is the organic poha from 24 mantra. If you all are looking to buy it, the link to this product is in the description below. And you can go ahead and purchase it there from Amazon. Also, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.